I'll be showing you step by step how to add a sticky buy button to your Shopify store. So to do so, we'll be using an app that has a completely free plan, and it's called GA Sticky Add to Cart button. And at the time of recording, it is completely free, so I'll leave a link for this in the description below. But once you're on this page, you can just click install. This is going to bring us to the installation page. Now from there, I'm going to click install. Now do so if you're comfortable with the permissions. So I'm going to click install here for my store. Next, it's going to bring me to the setup sequence. So I'm going to remove that chat pop-up. There's a next button in the bottom right here. So I'll click that. So first we need to enable it in our theme settings. So I'm going to click this enable in theme settings. This is going to open up my Shopify theme editor. It's going to open up the app embed section on the left-hand side. And it should automatically search for it here. And it should be toggled on. And to save these changes in the top right here, click save. If I go back to my previous tab, I can hit next again. And by clicking let's go in the bottom right, I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions and that they've read your privacy policy or you've read your privacy policy. So I'll hit let's go there. And so let's go and set this up. So step one, let's go and name this. To note, your customers won't see this name. It's only for you to find later. I'll just call this one first bar. I'll click next. The second step here, we get a preview in the center, and on the left-hand side, we can update some of these settings. So we can change the text for this, and by default, it's going to say stay on page. We could also go to the cart. We could go to checkout, or we could go to a specific URL. So I'll click go to checkout. So we'll just have a buy immediately. I'm going to change the text here to buy now. The notification, then taking you to the checkout. We can display the following elements in the add to cart bar. We can have the product image, the product title, product variations, the price, compared price, and quantity. You can toggle these off and on depending what you want to include. You could also have a timer that's going to increase the sense of scarcity and urgency. So I'll disable this for now, and I'm going to click next in the top right. For our last set of settings, we're going to customize the behavior. So we can set this to show on specific products, for any products, or only showing this on specific collections. So I'm just going to trigger this on any products, and that's automatically enabled here. So I'll leave this on, and I'll hit save in the top right to finalize all of this. This is going to open up a pop-up here, and it's going to give us a preview button. So it's just going to load our Shopify store. And to note, you're not going to see it right away, but if you start to scroll on the page, I can then see the sticky buy button that I've added. So if I click buy now here, this is taking me to the checkout directly, and it's added this to my cart. And so overall, that looks to be working perfectly. If you don't see it, there's a fix for me button here that's going to show up with the preview. It's just going to open up a chat window, which you can then contact customer support. So if we head back to the app tab, we can open up the dashboard and we can get analytics on how our sticky buy button is performing in terms of revenue, conversion rate, conversions, and different analytics. And we can see it based on the add to cart bars we have set up. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsored Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can understand how profitable your store truly is. This is going to let you make smarter business decisions, and it's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. And it's going to include a ton of different metrics and analytics on top of that. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. You can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below that's going to give you direct access to that listing, so make sure you check that out there. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to add a sticky buy button to your Shopify store. We did so using a completely free app, which made the process extremely easy. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.